Singapore, an incredible place with modern architecture, beautiful gardens, incredible views, and incredible parks to visit. Such as watching a light show from the top of Marina Bay Sands or from the bottom of the Gardens of the Bay, or visiting a Buddhist temple. But where do you find vegan food in Singapore? And the secret is hidden in the famous Singapore hawker centers, which are food centers with thousands of stalls, where you can find variety of food, including vegan food. So let's start with Chinatown. We visited Maxwell Food Center, which is a hawker center in the heart of Chinatown. And we started our day in one of the juice stalls with the name Juice Farm, where they make all the juices with fresh ingredients, and we can try any of their variety, such as dragon fruit and pineapple or avocado, and they actually list the benefits of each fruit juice combination. How cool is that? It's a great way to start the day. Another dish you can try in Chinatown is one pot spinach, but make sure to ask for vegetarian broth. Alternatively, you can go to a specific vegan restaurant, and the one in Chinatown we went to, it's called Wee Xin Vegan Food, and they have such a great variety, including traditional Singaporean dishes such as laksa and rojak, variety of noodle dishes, curries. The food looks amazing and it sure tastes amazing. And guess what? It's all vegan, so make sure to try it out. Another favorite hawker center we visited, it's called People's Park. It's also located in Chinatown, where there are thousands of stalls you can choose from. There's also shopping and fruit markets, where you can purchase the famous Singaporean fruit durian, which is the traditional fruit there, or you can have a fresh coconut or fresh sugarcane juice, or try their traditional sendol, which is a sweetened coconut milk drink mixed with green rice jelly. An interesting combination, but it was very tasty and refreshing. As we were walking through People's Park, we saw a stall where they made steamed buns, and they had such a great variety, and the steamed buns looked so tasty. However, we found out they're not vegan nor gluten-free, but we decided to include this part of the video just to show how creative and versatile the food in Singapore could be. Another interesting hawker center in Singapore to visit is Golden Mile Food Center, where we had the best kopi, which is really coffee, but it was absolutely tasty. The same hawker center had a stall where they offered the famous peanut soup. Make sure to choose a black sesame or peanut filling, as these two are the most delicious. In the Golden Mile Hawker Center, you can also find other vegan alternatives, like hot cereal. This stall had variety of choices, and very interesting ones, like sweet corn and red beets or beans, so check those out. Another great area for vegan lovers is Little India. Right on the corner of the temple, there is a street with variety of restaurants to try. As we were walking, we came across a restaurant where they were making fresh Indian flatbread called roti, which is not gluten-free, but if you skip the ghee, it's vegan. So we decided to give it a try, and because their black lentils were absolutely amazing, we came back another day to try the fried okra. We kept walking in Little India and found a restaurant named Shanti Curry that had some vegan options, and we tried their fermented rice with sambar, which is vegan and gluten-free, and it was very tasty. And then for lunch we went to the Tekka Center, which is another hawker center in Little India, and we tried their famous dosa, which is also vegan and gluten-free, and it's made of fermented rice. It is served with a variety of sauces, including sambar and coconut chutney, and they are delicious. Alternatively, you can try the masala dosa, which is the same dosa but with potato filling, and this one goes great with coconut chutney. Overall, we had an amazing experience in Singapore eating vegan food and sightseeing. And just across the airport, you will see this beautiful waterfall and a shopping center and a movie theater and many other things to do. So make sure to leave some time to visit the shopping center across the airport. And if you have more time during your stay and love nature, you can visit the Treetop Walk. And if you like nightlife, you can check out Clark's Quay and downtown for more amazing experience, where you can have some drinks with some friends that just moved to Singapore, or walk around during the day through the gardens of the bay and enjoy the incredible nature they've created. Just have fun with it, and most importantly, enjoy the variety of incredible vegan food in Singapore. We truly enjoyed our experience. If you ever get to visit this city, let us know what your experience was in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you in the next video.